my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 7, Language and Literature. Famous autobiographies. An autobiography is the story of a person's life written by the person himself or herself. Okay, so the following are the descriptions of some famous autobiographies. Write the title of the autobiographies after reading the descriptions. You may use the help box. So let me start. Number one, this autobiography was written by Anne Frank. The Diary of a Young Girl. It is the autobiography of Adolf Hitler. Number two, Mein Kampf. Number three, this book was authored by Nelson Mandela. So it is Long Walk to Freedom. Number four, this book is the autobiography of Booker T. Washington. Number four, Up from Slavery. Benazir Bhutto authored this biography. Number five, Daughter of the East. Number six, it is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. So, My Experiments with Truth by The Truth. And the last, this book was authored by Helen Keller. ये है The Story of My Life. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Analogies. An analogy is a comparison between two things having similar features. So, complete the following analogies. Choose the correct words from brackets and write them in the blank spaces. So, one, shoe is to foot as hat is to head. Foot. Bat is to cricket as racket is to badminton. Banana is to fruit as pumpkin is to vegetable. Hot is to tea. Number four, as cold is to ice. Milk is to drink as bread is to eat. House is to man as whole is to rich. Stem is to steam. Stem is to flower. As trunk is to tree. Gold is to goldsmith as iron is to blacksmith. Key is to lock as password is to computer. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Similes. Simile is a comparison between two objects of different kinds which have at least one point in common. It is introduced by the words as like or so. So complete the following similes. So 1. As cold as ice. Okay. As slow as tortoise. As clear as water crystal. As deep as the sea. As black as coal. As proud as peacock. As opposite as the poles. As cunning as fox. Okay, number 9. As brave as lion. Number 10. As loud as thunder. As straight as an arrow. As sweet as sugar. As white as snow. As blind as bat. Number 50. As light as feather. Number 16. As good as gold. As wise as owl. As big an elephant. 18. As free as bird. As fresh as daisy. As silly as goose. As slippery as fish. As stubborn as mule. As tall as tree. Okay, next, as hard as nails. As sick as dog. As busy as bee. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, art and craft. Rearrange the given letters to name the art of the art object. A method of dyeing in which some parts of the clothes to be dyed are coated with wax. So it is batik. 2. A kind of baked clay used in making pots, figurines, brick, decorative tiles, etc. Terracotta. 3. Metal casting using a mold of clay and wax, practiced in India since ancient times. So it is Dokra. 4. Colored glass used in decorative window weapons, lampshade paintings, etc. Stained. The art of making baskets, furniture, etc. by weaving together fibers such as twigs, reeds, and bamboo strips. Wiki work. 6. The art of knotting threads in patterns to make decorative things. Macrame. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Genres of books. Books are of many kinds. A particular type of book comes under a particular genre. So read the descriptions and write the genres of the books. You may use the help box. Number 1. It is a story that deals with activities involving risk, danger, and exciting experiences. Adventure. This is a fiction that uses a large amount of imagination. Fantasy. This book is intended to invoke the emotion of fear among its readers. Horror. It is a story presented in a sequence of pictures and dialogues. Number 4. Comics. This book is a historical account written from the author's personal experiences. It is the account of a person's life written by someone else. Number 6. Biography. Seven. It is a work of fiction that deals with love, romance. It is intended to perform by actor on the stage. Drama. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Classical dances of India. Given below are the pictures of famous Indian classical dances. Write the names of these dances using the help box. 1. It is Bharatnatyam. Number 2 is Kathak. Number 3 is Kuchipudi. Number 4 is Odissi. Number 5 is Manipuri. Number 6 is Kathakali. Number 7 is Satriya. So my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.